Alexa, stop. And down. Where'd it go? I don't understand why it's doing this. All right, so there's that. Let me. What did I X out of it? Pull up a chat. Pull up chat. And I'll run. Let's do this, right? Boom! There he is. Feeling sexy. Yeah, this is fucking garbage price action. Where is it? There it is. Jesus. Where is it? All right, pop out that, mute that. What up? Who we got in here? Mason Dean. My little toe. My little toe. Don't touch nothing yet. Or you want, don't hop in long right now. I don't think it's going long right now. Like right now. Catch me outside. How about that? All right. I mean, it may. Well, let's look at Bitcoin quick. Let's go to the daily. Still in a short zone. See, this is the stupid stuff. Oh, I agree. It looks pumpy. I'm with you. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, no, it looks like it wants to. Yeah, looks like it wants to go. 100%. I have not looked at Bitcoin, though. What is this? Get that out of there. Let's see. Then you broke bearish. Potential retest. I don't know. I mean, it kind of. I mean, to me, it already broke above it. You know, it's gotten back in, but it broke above. This could just be like a retest at this 4-hour order block right here to then go higher. So that's also a location to look for along here. Two-hour. 30-minute looks bad. See, like this was like it wants to roll over, which I wouldn't hate, right? If VWAP's coming down, money's in the red, let's roll it down. So I want to come down into here, give my confirmation for like a good long. 106, 830. Now I'd ignore that. Now this is the 15-minute structure here. 108, 220. 108, 220. It still looks gross. It's not great. I mean, what's 24 look like? I mean, I don't even love that. 12. Yeah, 12 looks a little better, but it all looks like shit. Yeah, this looks like it wants to go down right now. Right. Short term. Just, all right. Let's see. I know I'm being quick here, but it's just because I don't want to miss none. If we find something, I want to take it. So I was looking at this before, though. All right, we broke above this, broke up, retest. Maybe we go. I don't know. Let's see something quick. Hourly looks ready to print a green dot. 30 minutes printing, or did print. 24, that's rounding up. 15, looking good. And I know where we bounced is good. That's why I'm not looking at this right now because this is the zone I was looking to bounce from, and we did. This is wishy washy, right? We got money flow coming out. I don't think we have bearish divergence. No, we don't have bearish divergence, but we have money flow bearish divergence. Not momentum wave, but money flow. Like this just doesn't look great, right? The money flow doesn't look good. VWAP's coming down. This can roll. I would say that's probably not going to be the case. I'm going to say long is probably the case right now. But like how do you enter this? I mean, you can enter on like a oscillator confirmation type thing, but I'd prefer it to come down if we can get like this. You know, that would be pretty cool. Guys, I'm dehydrated. I had like 3 terrible foot cramps last night. So I mean, it's funny because like I was looking at this. I got short up here. I took profit like after this close. So like this one up here, took profit right here. And it's funny because I was looking at this guy to kind of put a limit here. I was going to put a limit on this stop loss here. It would have made for a fantastic trade. But I didn't. And then I went to the bathroom and I came back and you're kidding me. Of course, right? Of course. I don't know, a lot of mixed signals right now. I'm inclined to say pump, but are we going to pump right now? Or are we going to pump in an hour or 2 hours? I mean, we have numbers tomorrow. We have, I'm not even going to flip over, but if you go look at your DXY, it's there. A bunch of inflationary numbers coming up tomorrow. So that we're squeezing. This is what we do every day, every time, every day before the news like this. We squeeze. Um, and to me, it just looks like it wants higher. Even though we do have the bearish divergence, right? We have this bear. It's kind of a flat top here. Bearish divergence, money flows coming out. This makes a lot of sense to have a trigger wave here, right? I mean, we still have room to come up to roll back over, right? This whole thing is a short zone. I mean, honestly, this whole thing is a short zone. That being said, I mean, we got a weekly order block of imbalance here. Like we gotta, and we're bearish, right? And then everyone's bullish, which is fine, but this is all internal. But if you were to pull internal structure, broke, right? We broke, retest, continuation. Maybe. Could be completely wrong. Wouldn't be the first time. Sure as shit not going to be the last. Right, and then we got this guy. So are we about to the upside or to the downside? Either way, it's coming. Either way, it's coming. I believe it's coming. I mean, even down to here, right? If we come back down for this or down for these, that's a big one. Or even like up for the all-time high, like that. Those are big for ETH. So let me trickle down here. If you're going to look at any of these lines, the blue is the 200. This is the yellow's the 50. Light blue is the 100. Money flow's coming up. Nice bullish divergence. But like I wouldn't mind to see, even if we come up a little bit, right? What we're doing here is if we come up, right, boom, and we print that red dot and we just, kind of like a double top on the oscillator, not too great. We got to keep that in mind. Everyone's screaming for the mountaintops here, and it might happen. I'm bullish right now. It looks like it wants to go up, but on the weekly, we're especially ETH weekly internally bearish. Bitcoin, we still have a weekly SFP, and this can still roll over, right? There's nothing here saying we can't just come up and then roll right over. Like what happened last time, right? SFP, we made an all-time high, all new high, and then we rolled over. Money flow's coming out a little steeper. This one's a little more spread out, but we do have the bearish divergence. So who the fuck knows? Not this guy, not I. If I knew, I'd be on my boat, which I don't have. Like this looks pretty strong. I mean, nice bullish divergence. Money flows into the green. This can either roll over this momentum wave, or this has a lot of room to go to the upside. A lot. Last time we saw one of those, let's see what it did. Lackluster for a bigger retracement. Okay. Yeah. See, when you get those trigger waves, you really want them like on the other side of the zero line or really, really close to it. That's close, but it's not perfect. 16-hour, we broke the downtrend, right? Assuming this doesn't just V out from the candle close missile, but I don't think that's how it's going to work out here. Now, yeah, see, it already closed above. Yeah, we broke that trend, in my opinion. But the money flow still looks like shit, right? Money flow still looks like shit. Now we're playing hopscotch here. But then you get to these higher time frames, the daily, the 2-day, the 3-day. Money flow is coming up hard, or it's already in the green with a nice little couple trigger waves printing. Or printed. They already did. So that's kind of why I'm leaning up. I mean, where we're seeing turbulence right now makes sense, right? It makes sense. I mean, even people who don't do formations, you can't ignore this is what you're seeing. You can, and that's all-time high, 4K. Well, 5K is all-time high, so it's close. But we would take these highs, right? If this target's hit, we're taking these highs. We're taking that liquidity, which could result in a dump. Well, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. If it pumps up, I can leave that there. That's not hurting nobody. Ain't hurting nobody. Eight-hour. I mean, momentum wave's looking like it wants to roll over, but it doesn't have to just yet. Money flow's just crossed into the green. So even if we do reset, we can still pump. So like, look at this. Like we got kind of a flat top here. So we can just, boop, money flow's coming up, boop. Yeah, see, 3-hour. Money flow's coming up pretty strong. This looks like it kind of wants to just 2-hour on ETH. This still doesn't look terrible, right? It looks like it may want to just, even though we got bearish divergence on it, it just still doesn't look terrible to me because of the money flow, right? Like look at the 1 hour, right? Coming down. I mean, this low. I mean, we can just, right? Come on down and go right back up. Same shit here, right? Even though the money flow is coming down, it can just. But ideally, I would like it a little lower. I would love it to go a little lower. Yeah, see, now we got a 12-minute trigger wave printing. Money flow on the 15 is good. Looking good here, too. I mean, like I said, overall, we have downward curvature on the money flow, but it's not screaming at me just yet. I mean, there are time frames saying we're about to go, but right now we're like in a couple hours or tomorrow, overnight, per usual. Thank you, Asia. Fuckers. But the 5-minute looks juicy right now. This looks real good. The 4-minute looks really good. The 3-minute looks real good. The 2-minute, little trigger wave action. Nice curvature though. I would love for this the 2-minute, the 5-minute, the 15-minute, and the 30-minute to all line up, and this is just not. The money flow on the 30 is not. So how do I pull the trigger on something that's not perfect? Especially right now, right? We're banging our heads on this top of the wedge, or whatever you fucking call us, the flag, trend line, whatever. I would say probability wise, it's more probable that we go down. But at some point, we got to break out, whether it's up or down. So why not be a part of it? Am I right? Why not be a part? I want to play. Yeah, like this big drop down. We came up. I would love to just come down to go right back up. I wouldn't hate it. I wouldn't hate it. Yeah, I agree. Just sit, just wait. I mean, like, if anything, if you want to wait till it gets down here a little bit, see if you get that 1 minute or 2 minute change. But I don't. That's not a bad thing, right? It's not. It's not definitely not a bad thing. What the fuck is this? You go over there. You go over here. I'm trying to juggle all of my screens on my left screen here. Like if you zoom out, for all you peoples, like we're above, right? We're going to come back down. We have all of this. Like even if we don't come all the way back down towards this, we still have this that we can still come back down for and go back up. Excuse me. What's Solana looking like? See, it's a huge short zone. And we broke bearish on the freaking daily. So bears in the daily, potential retest. Let's drop down with a 10-hour. And we still haven't broken this high. 4-hour, what are you looking at? See, this is why I kind of I've been looking at Sol. I've been looking at Link, Sui Cardano. Because it just looks a little better. Or worse, but it's telling me a better story sometimes. ETH yesterday was quite nice though. I did long ETH yesterday. I definitely caught quite a bit of this. So we got numbers coming out tomorrow. So you don't got to catch every move. I know we want to, especially those of us that are not financially where we want to be. We want to be a part of it all, but don't be in a rush to give money back if you don't know what the hell's going on. Like, this is a long zone. Couldn't hurt, man. Check back later tonight. Check back tomorrow morning. See what you got. It'll get better. Just we got numbers coming out, and these numbers are big, especially because the last meetings that we had, or meeting that we had, there was a lot of what ifs from the Fed. So let's, one more month pass. Let's see what happens. Are the interest rate cuts, are they closer than, or as close as many people think they are? Are they a little far fetched? Are we still waiting on these, a lot of this tariff confirmation stuff with China and all this shit? These numbers could start paving the road to see what's going to happen. Yeah, see, like, look at this. This looks like it wants to rip. What's Link looking like here? Let's go to the hourly quick. Yeah, Link's looking the same. Link is looking the same. Right? Yeah, we got this bearish divergence coming in, but we still have decent looking money flow. VWAP's potentially trying to curve up. 12-minute, we're rejecting, or we're bouncing off of the golden pocket of the 12-minute structure, but the 10-minute money flows in the green, or in the red now. 15-minute, 12-minute. Yeah, this can also still print a trigger wave here. 6-minute, same jazz. We're in that zone. 5-minute, same jazz. Mm-hmm. Like, look at this. Look at this curvature. Look at this. This could be explosive, guys. This can really be something special. When's the last time we had this on Link? I mean, I could argue this is it right here, right? Bearish divergence, money flow's coming out, boom. Bullish divergence, money flow's coming back in, trigger wave, boom. Right here. Boom. Like, it could be. Wow. That's how you know I haven't done this in a while. Got to refresh this chart. Because I've changed my settings. That's why I did that. What? Maybe I didn't on that one. Whatever. But yeah, right. Remember, this was a 786. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of all of it. Let's just get rid of all of it. Anybody else find satisfaction in just deleting a bunch of shit? Because I do. Right? We were looking at this, right? Boom. Fail. I was just hoping we came back down a little bit more for more. But, we came right in. This is a bullish order block. Not a bearish one. A bullish. We came right into it. And we rejected. What we do, we came back down. I don't think there's any significance to that level as far as Fibonacci's go. Yeah, I don't think we touched it yet. No, we didn't. But I bet you there's an order block there of some sort, or it's a bounce location. We know that. Right? And then we broke here. Are we going to retest before we go, or are we just going to go? But it looks satisfaction. Like this is a inverse head and shoulders to Brian. That's all I could say. Excuse me. That water is good. Good and cold. Like, honestly, I'd probably consider even longing right now. Probably not the smartest thing. We've had a lot of chop. Two minutes agreeing. 5 minutes seems to be agreeing. We're on top of this 5 minute 50 EMA. 12 minute, we're still above it. I mean, this looks like it wants to do a little green dot action here. This looks like it can just pop right up. What do you think, Toe? Go for it? I'm going for it. I'm in. Yeah, I'm in. Right, because look where Bitcoin is. Bitcoin's in a bounce location. Well, if you're being dumb, why are you doing it? Are you hedging because you're indecisive, or are you hedging because you see something? I mean, we swung failed the bottom, broke. This is a retest. This is one leg. You see an iffy 5 minute. This guy here, that's internal. I'm not gonna say you're not wrong. Yeah, I don't think you're wrong. 2 minute. It's a 2 minute break. It's a weak break, but it's a break, and this is a retest zone, right? Boom. That's it. It makes sense to go here. Um, will we get what we want? Who knows? But Sui. I was looking at Axlar this morning because my buddy's got a bunch of it. Look at this freaking thing. They announced a partnership with XRP. 24 minute, 67%. Actually, 5 minute. Am I kidding? That's crazy, right? It's a this seems to be a Link competitor. What's up, Jay? We're playing red dot, green dot right now. Don't be fucking doing that. Don't piss me off. And we got the nice curvature, bullish divergence. Money flow's coming up on the 5. We broke the downward trend line. Or even if you extend it all the way up to here, we kind of broke it. So, where's my Shihi? Yeah, it was down in the zone too. Previous day, daily open. I really don't have too much here. Don't be a home wrecker. Don't do it. Mm. I mean, we did swing fail this high, so it does make sense to kind of go down. Let's see what this trend line does. Whatever it does is going to do it quick. I guarantee it. After a price like this, it's going to. Link, soul. Double top, break. I mean, it's just still weak, but come on. This stuff is stupid. Like today, I wish I had enough money to never look at it like this. Fuck this. I don't care. You said 105.1. I think I had this. I have it. I should. Oh, maybe I got rid of it for some reason. No, here it is. Yeah, yeah. I see. Now, just quickly, what we just looked at. I haven't really thought too much about it. Besides the fact, I mean, this is definitely a rejection zone. Yeah, 100%. It just looks bear trappy. Nah. I still had a little jalapeno on my hands. Oh no. I even washed them. Come on. Hmm. Is there something today? Is somebody talking today? I mean, it's 2 o'clock. They'd be talking around now. China. Oh, I still have faith for the long. It just, if anything, it looks like it wants to go long, but it doesn't. I don't know how far it's going to go because these lower time frames are not saying nothing yet. You know what I mean? And I'm out of water. Let me grab a sensor. It's a rainy day. The charts look like shit. Yeah, I know we got CPI and some other shit tomorrow. Focusing on adding to your winning positions instead of focusing on exiting them. I can see how that makes sense if you're swing trading, but if you're day trading and scalping, how are you going to add to something? Like if we get in here, right? Technical targets here. Like you're going to add here if it breaks, right? But what if it comes back? I don't know. Maybe. Hmm. You just got to know it's going to keep going in your favor, whether it's up or down. Kind of sounds like a DCA in a way, and I'm against DCA because DCA can get you wrecked. You still got to know what you're doing. It won't work if you don't know what you're doing. You may get lucky, but you need to realize that you may be getting lucky before you give it all back, right? Because like especially like on ETH, right? Let's say I don't know, you're DCAing here, DCA, 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 or dropping your DCA. You have to have a lot of money. I mean, I guess if like so, say if you're entering like a daily long. And but the problem, like if you get long here, your target's here. You get long here, maybe your target's up top somewhere. Um, this long down here, like this is a target. This is a target. At least how I trade. Excuse me. Let me know what he says. Let me know what you gather from that. I'm intrigued. Teach me something, please. Let's stand. You guys want to stand? Let's stand. Let's stand. Oh my, good stretch. Yeah, this is just fucking gross. Just gross. So 1 hour trigger wave on Solana. 30 minutes rolling up. Money flows out though. Yeah, there's so many mixed reviews. I don't know. Absolutely. Less is more for 99% of people, 99.99% of people. We all can't be, entering 10 to 20, 30, 40 trades a day and make it work, right? It's just not how it works. You focus on your A++. Mm-hmm. I got shit on it right now, but I got a board right behind me that um, more often than not, I'm sitting here and I'm just writing it down, right? As it's coming into a zone, like I'll write my confluences, then it gets there, and then I'll enter it, and then I'll finish writing them down. It's kind of like my journal, and then eventually I'll roll it into my journal. Um, but if I'm not willing to write it down and look at it, then I don't want it. And a lot of people do. You got to kick that though, dude. You gotta um, in order to make it, because keep in mind, man, not everyone's gonna make it. Not everyone's gonna make it. If you can't overcome that, you're not gonna make it. If you can't take that step back, you're not gonna make it. You're gonna keep giving money. You'll never figure it out. You're just gonna keep giving money, and you're gonna go broke, and you're not gonna make it. It's not gonna be you. You're not gonna be the one. You need to be able to kick that. There are very good trades to be had, right? Like even if you didn't get in down here, there's this order block here, right? This bounce, boom. I want my oscillator to come in so I can show you, right? We're coming down. We got flat bottom, bearish bullish divergence. Money flow's coming up. Money flows in the green. Trigger wave coming in. We're bouncing on the order block. You get your confirmation. You take it up. I mean, it's an easy trade. You got to be paying attention for it. This is literally where I got in. That's why I'm saying it. Um, the rejection here makes a lot of sense, right? So it's like take your profits. If you got long here, take your profits. There's another entry here if you want. Otherwise, just take your money. Take your money. You look at this and say, "Oh, I missed out." But how many times is that FOMO going to give money back? The goal is not to hit every trade. The goal is to hit your trades, right? Say you get something like this. I don't know, right? And you take just the top of that candle, 2 to 1. I'm sure you could have got a better entry. 4-1, 5-1. Great. Maybe leave a little runner. Or, you get this and you get the retest, and now things are really starting to look up on the 15. You get in here, and maybe you leave a runner because you got the oscillator screaming. Maybe it's going to go a little more. There you go. That's awesome. If you find what works for you, it's not going to work for everybody, but nobody else fucking matters. Only you matter, right? It's your money. It's your trades. It's your decisions. Only you can make them. It's got to work for you. I don't care if you try shock therapy, but if that's your poison, just pick it. But it's got to work. Like this, the way I'm looking at this guy right here, I don't even know because this is kind of wonky here. Let's just go here for now. Right, this is literally what I'm looking at. This may look rolly to the downside to people, but for me, it's it's slowly curving up a little bit. It's sideways and up on the oscillator. So we're above the EMAs. We broke the trend line. We got bullish divergence from down here. I'd like to see a rotation to the high end of the range. That's where my brain goes. Right? Because if you're looking at this as a range, right? We came down, broke to 50, down into our fib level right here. If we were to do this, you'll see it easier. Right? Golden pocket, 786. We came into it, SFP'd. Now we roll back up. Whether we go to the higher or not, it's a different story because we do have a 15-minute OBIM right here. We could smack our head on this. We can grab a bunch of liquidity, bing bong around range a little bit before tomorrow. Who knows? But this is literally how I see it. And I don't need to. I mean, I honestly, I think we're going up. You can't forget what the bigger picture here is. But at the end of the day, I mean, if I can get in here and get out here, that's a win. But I just got to get out. If I don't get out, it doesn't matter. I'm not fully out. You don't have to get. Like I said, you don't always have to have a full TP in mind. You just have to have a plan. You have to have a TP in mind, but you have to have an overall plan. Like, okay, like back here, right? Like, boom, okay, we're looking bullish. Like, maybe we get all the way up here, we SFP this, or you see this little retrace here and you can't stomach it, you get out. It's a fucking awesome trade. It's on your terms. You even traded today? Yeah, I'm in a long right now. I'm even. I'm even right now, so I'll just do this. And my stop loss was down here. I want to go. That candle there. This is my idea. This is what I'm in. I'm up a little bit. Come on, baby! I mean, it may not play out. I may lose. I don't know. But this is my idea. And I'm just going to let it go. Like I did move my stop loss up a little bit to the bottom of this wick here, and listen. If it stops the out and then goes, it is what it is. There's a lot of chop in here. I rather lower my risk and just let it be what it's going to be. But to me, it does look like we want to go up a little bit. Whether it's to continue ranging, to me, this is coiling up for something. Well, I don't know what way it wants to go. I just know it's not going to go back. It's not going to go to the left. I just know it's going to go to the right. That's all I can tell you. So right now, Trump is speaking now. I hate the delay. Oh, I don't know. What time is it for you now? I can Google it, but you can just tell me what time it is for you, and then I'll do the math. So in 2 hours, so he speaks at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm New York time. Yeah, so 2 hours. Cool. Yeah, I mean this is not a terrible looking trade right now, but I gotta take a leak. I'll be right back. Told you guys it looked like something about to happen today, though, right? Not tomorrow. This looks like today. Things are about to happen. So him speaking makes sense. Let me see. Trump talk today. U.S. China meat trade talk. Travel ban takes effect. Is he is he going to talk about California? You think, or is it like is this going to have to do with like his with China? China. Hmm. Where did you find out that he's talking today in 2 hours? Where did you see that? I don't see it. Not even on his Twitter. Forex factory calendar. Come on, Trump. You know what? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm about to just ask ChatGPT. See what they got to say on the topic. Oh, well, they can't even tell me. Good. Good talk. Fucker. Yeah, I saw that. I just didn't know if there's going to be anything extra juicy. He always likes to throw a curveball in there. I mean, it's always relevant when he talks, right? If he has a bad tone, shit goes down. If he's fucking energetic, it goes up. It's just how the stupidest fucking stuff. I hate it. I really do. Can't stand it. And I won't be able to watch either because I got to get my kid. I don't know. I got to leave early today too. I got to get gas. I'm on E. I don't know. This is what I'm looking at. That's all I got. This is so fucking slow. And maybe if I hop off, it'll move. Maybe if I hop off, it'll move. Or maybe if I open up a can of Pringles. I don't know. Maybe sour cream and onion. Chomp in your guys' ears. What do you think? Where's my glasses cleaner? Oh, so much better. Get rid of Xlar. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Why did I just get an alert that my YouTube's live with the completely wrong name here? They should just say live stream. I think I just did live stream today. That's weird. Don't mind my dreamboat. My mobile office. My dream. That was weird. 1 minute ago. I gotta bring the kid to gymnastics today. Do early dinner then. This is like watching paint dry. What do you guys think? It's fucking terrible. And I mean it. I mean this is terrible. Terrible. On the bright side, my trade's in the green. A whopping 3%. Feeling dangerous. Feeling dangerous. I don't love that. This is all I got. I'm getting off. This is terrible. Yeah, this is awful. There's nothing to tell you. This sucks. This is terrible. Guys, don't get wrecked today. If it goes against you, let it go. Um, this price action is booty. Appreciate y'all swinging by. What's today? Tuesday? I'll be live tomorrow at some point. So hopefully y'all can make it. We'll catch you then. Later.